We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。Alice 啊，你会画画吗？
不太会，
不太会，是跟我一样。我以前小时候啊，尤其有些朋友可能会画卡通啊，
对，
小朋友也很喜欢看卡通，就觉得好羡慕哦。
是啊，
对啊。好，那这个漂亮到底客语怎么说啊？
讲。
Okay, that's how you say pretty. And now let's listen to a conversation about a dialogue about someone who actually draws beautiful pictures. Okay, 我们来听一段有人画画很漂亮的对话。
也不花很讲哦，
我花當到時間花嘅，
係唔花嘅哦，唔很厲害哦。
好，我們來一句一句來教。Let's break down these lines one by one. The first sentence is 這幅畫好漂亮哦。This picture looks so pretty.
也不花很講哦，
也不花很講哦。OK， 講 again is pretty， 然後畫是
花，
花就是畫，所以一幅畫是
一幅花，但是
一幅花，
對，一幅畫是一幅花，那這幅畫是也幅花。
OK，book 就是那個單位就對了。Book is like the unit for describing a painting or a picture. Okay, in this case, it's a painting. 好，我花很多時間畫的。That's the second line. I spend a lot of time painting this.
我花動到時間花嘅，
我花動到時間花嘅，時間就是時間嘛，
對，
right?
時間。
And then 花動到就是花很多的意思啊，花動到 I like that. Spending a lot of what? Time, 時間 to draw it. Okay, and this painting 一個畫叫做
花，
all right? And then finally the person responds, Wow, you painted this? That is awesome. 是你畫的哦，你好厲害哦。
係唔花嘅哦，
嘿，你發嘅哦，
唔很厲害哦，
很厲害哦。We taught you 發就是畫嘛，但是如果動作去畫也是一樣，發，
發。
Okay, to paint or a painting, same word, 發. All right, let's go ahead and review some of the vocabulary you brought up, including time, 時間，時間, and then awesome, great job, 厲害，
厲害，
厲害, and finally, to paint or a painting 都是畫，
花，
發. Okay, let's listen to the conversation again.
也不花很講哦，
我花當到時間花嘅，
係唔花嘅哦，唔很厲害哦。
And this month, we're just teaching you the phrase beautiful, pretty.
講
There you go. Another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
男子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.